Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Larice here. Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Today I am super excited, you guys. I want to make this video to share with you guys how you can share your screen on your iPhone. So listen, I've been on a journey to try to figure this out for the longest time because I do not have a MacBook. So this video tutorial is for those people that have an iPhone, but they do not have a MacBook. So listen, before we get into this video, if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure you also hit the bell notification so whenever I upload a video, you will be notified first. So, all right, guys, look, I have my phone, my iPhone right here. So what you need is your iPhone charging port, USB cord, and you need to upload or download the Zoom app, Zoom. Make sure you download Zoom. That's ZOOM.us. I'll make sure I put everything in the description box below. So what you do is you go live or you hook up Zoom, depending on if you want to do a live video or, record it, pre-record it, or whatever you want to do to share your screen. You hook up the charging port to your cell phone, and then you take this USB part, you plug it into your computer. That's what I'm doing right here. You plug it into your computer, and then, I'm on Zoom. While you have Zoom open, you hit this little share green square with the arrow. Click that, and then it will give you these different options like what do you want to share screen with. So before, because I am not new to Zoom, let me move this. I am not new to Zoom. So before, that option was not there. At least for me, that option was not there. With Zoom, there are different packages you can get. So maybe, Zoom just implemented this option, or maybe it just became an option for the free package because I'm not a paid subscriber or member to Zoom. You can be, check. This video is not about that, but you can go on to Zoom and just check the different packages depending on what you want to do. And if you're not sure what Zoom is a platform where you can hold webinars and meetings and things of that sort. And it does other things as well, but that's mainly what Zoom is, a platform where you hold webinars. So again, I'm on the free membership, so you click the share button and then you go over to the iPhone/iPad button. And so it'll give you a pop-up. Let me take a screenshot because for some reason it's not going to show this part to you. So I want you guys to see every step. So no matter if this is your first time, 20th time, it doesn't matter. It's going to continue to give you this pop-up. It's giving you instructions and it tells you exactly what you should do to mirror or to share your iPhone screen. So let me go back. I went a little too fast. So what you do is, well, you can see my share screen already, but let me see. Let me show you exactly what I did to get that. So you slide up to get the menu, and then you click on this little button right here. It's not usually highlighted if you're not shared screen. So it says screen mirroring. So you click, it'll say Zoom right here, and then you click on the Zoom, and then it'll load. and then it shows you your screen. So that's how you share your iPhone screen on a non-Mac laptop, you guys. All right, you guys, that's it. That's how you do it. Hopefully, you've received some value in watching this video and I've explained it well enough to where you totally get it. You finally received that light bulb moment and you have to look no further into any other videos because I've explained it that good. So, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you drop them down below in the comment section and I will respond to you. And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and also turn on the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will get notified. Catch you on the next one.